Yeah.
Why are you in handcuffs right now?
I'm stealing.
Okay, you're stealing. What did you steal?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, some of the medication.
This Palm Beach Gardens arrest from the 22nd of March 2023 presents 4 distinct legal questions worth dissecting. First, probable cause. Florida Statute 812.015 authorizes warrantless retail theft arrests on or off premises. The merchant's 3-week documentary record satisfies the probable cause threshold under that statute.
All right, so did she...
We're going to let you make the 10-15 inside the store. We've got concealment. Now, Costco's policy is they got to exit the store, but our general manager says if you make 10-25 and then 10-15 right away, we're good.
My thing, she got to make past all points of sale.
Well, I know, and that's how we are too.
Yeah.
All right, well, then all right.
We post right here until she walks. Okay.
Let us know what you think about. All right, fellas. Good, how are you guys? Good.
We're good.
Fun stuff. Cool.
Right.
All right, so,
Yeah.
we got concealment. She hit us. I'm going to try to get payment for 3 bottles of restitution. If she don't want to give us payment, I don't care. I'll go to first appearance and do what I got to do there. But
right now she's concealed what? How much? Or how much did she conceal?
A $99 bottle of wine that she did 2 weeks ago hit us for 2 bottles. A week ago hit us for 1 bottle. And she.
Did we make reports on the other bottles?
No, we will report on that one. No, because now I have her 28. I got her information. So. I think
you want to trespass us as well?
Oh, yeah. Once we get everything, we'll cancel her membership, trespasser.
All right, so Asian female went away?
Asian female, here's what she looks like. Our manager was at her shop a couple days ago.
What she put the wine in?
Inside that purse that she's carrying.
Okay.
So she's wearing all white pants, all white pockets. So.
You guys got everything on video too?
Huh?
Everything on video?
The concealment, well, we got the selection on video because the camera right after the concealment, we saw that. So my manager, Mary Jane, they're following her now. We already got that, and then so.
Okay, it's fine. As long as she passes points, she passes points with us.
Well, I mean, we had one of your sergeants too. I mean, I was on the job 10 years ago. What's that?
Sorry, I'm sorry.
Okay, well, I didn't have somewhere to put it, but it's going to pay for it.
Exactly.
So the last guy we got with you guys was a month ago, and you came in a week later and gave us a $950 check because I got him for like 7 or 8 bottles.
Oh, okay.
So.
And they're members, though. Why would they do that if they're members? Because they know they got to swipe the card to pay for it, right?
Second, the elements of theft. Florida Statute 812.014 criminalizes the endeavor to obtain another's property. The phrase passing all points of sale, repeated on camera, is an evidentiary heuristic, not a statutory element. Longval v. State, 914. So, 2D 1098 confirms theft is complete on endeavor before any exit. Specific intent to deprive remains essential. State v. G. C. 572. So, 2D 1380 fixes that requirement. Selective concealment of high-value goods while paying for low-value goods supports the intent inference.
I'm going to check the car real quick, make sure there's nobody inside the car.
That's him calling me now. Yes, sir. All right, so she's still shopping. So 3 weeks ago. She's close to registered, so she might, get worried. Okay. Yeah, we probably have another 5 minutes. I'm out here with guards. They got 2 units on scene, so. Yeah, okay. All right. So we're going to obviously go through the prosecution. Now, I know some officers, if you like, personally, I know it's a misdemeanor. You get an NTA and let them go.
Trespass too.
I'd rather you didn't. I'd rather you give them a ride and let 3228 pick them out the back door. But that's me.
Yeah.
If you can make that call as main officer, we would like that. But if you got to do what you got to do. So if you have enough units on scene to make that quick ride, that'd be great. In town.
So I'm just getting. I got to look at the screen and I run by my sergeant, but we'll see. Like I said, just a misdemeanor, so you might say this NTA, but.
Yeah, I get it.
More about it spit on the road, But.
Yeah, I know. But, I mean, and I'm going to, like I said, I've got the selection. I've got her whole file on dates. All right,
so I know you told me what happened. You see?
All right, so that was some time ago when she got gas so I can get her vehicle information.
Yeah.
That was when she concealed in that bag. Maybe 3 weeks ago.
Okay.
That was her at the register buying whatever she buys. So I don't know if she's the RO of the vehicle, but that's her info. So the first 65 is 2 bottles on the 22nd. Same price, $99.99.
Okay.
She checked out, and then the first bottle, another bottle on the 8th. She hasn't been here since the 8th. She's been coming on Wednesdays. So.
Okay. And the report was taken for those?
No,
Okay.
we haven't done anything because we want to get the theft and that, we want to get everything done.
Yeah.
And so.
Okay.
No, I know. Yeah, as long as she comes out the door, gets her receipt checked. So, unless you want to receipt. The letters. Perfect. Yeah. And there just outside the window. As soon as she starts coming out.
Okay.
Now, after we get done the paperwork, if you can walk around Silvers, that'd be great.
Okay.
So people see it. You know?
Okay.
So
No
that's. Yeah, she has a bunch of stuff. So
That's it right there?
coming out, that's her.
All right,
The liquor store. So let her go on the liquor.
Come here, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Let's get that. Let's get that.
All right.
There you go. Come here.
You're being detained, all right?
You're being detained right now. Put your hands behind your back there for me.
Like you're praying. Like you're praying. Like you're praying.
Rounds of force. You want detained, please?
Like you're praying. There you go.
Keep doing it. So we're going to grab your bag right here.
You got 44 on you?
Yeah. You want to go to the office? Or you want to go to the office and do all your stuff?
I'll go to the car. Come on this way. All right, you sit right here on the hood of my car right here. Right.
Turn around. You got your number 44?
I got it. All right, so I'm gonna read you something, okay? You have the right to remain silent. All right, so.
Is the ID in here?
No, that's the small one.
Small one. This one underneath.
And the small little one.
There's a little one in here?
All right, so what's your name?
Ling, yeah, that's a black one.
This one right here's your ID?
What's your name?
Ling.
Ling?
Yeah.
So what's going on, Ling? You know why you're in handcuffs?
Yeah, why are you in handcuffs and why are we here?
Oh, well, he'll find it. So, Ling, why are you in handcuffs right now?
I'm sorry.
Why are you in handcuffs? You saying you're sorry, but why are you sorry? Why are you sorry? What's going on? Ling?
Yeah,
Why are you in handcuffs right now?
I'm still.
Okay, you're stealing. What did you steal?
This is inside.
Yeah, something in there.
Huh?
Yeah, some of the medication.
Medication?
Yeah.
Okay. Medication, what else?
I'm checking there. I don't know. You can check in there.
So you're in handcuffs and you stole medication. Anything else that you took? Is there anything else that might be in your bag?
Alright, so we'll just do this.
Yep.
This is going to be the office.
Or is it that? I still got the paperwork.
Yeah, but yeah, it's fine. I just want to do. Okay, so question:
Yeah.
are these yours?
No.
Did you buy them?
No.
Did you buy this?
No, I'm not.
Did you buy this?
No.
Did you buy this? No.
Yeah.
You bought this?
No, I'm not.
Did not. Okay. Yes or no? Did you buy this?
No, I'm not.
No, you did not. Did you buy this?
No.
Go ahead.
you buy this?
No.
No, sir, thank you.
Did you buy this?
No.
Third, Miranda. The officer begins the warning, then questioning resumes during a bag search. Miranda versus Arizona, 384 U.S., 436, requires the full warning before custodial interrogation. Any statements taken before completion face suppression. The physical evidence remains admissible. The independent documentary record cures the case for charging purposes, not for the admission itself. Fourth, search incident to arrest. United States v. Robinson, 414 U.S., 218, controls the bag inventory. The officer properly separated cash from contraband, refusing to seize property lacking evidentiary nexus.
This is what, for your work?
Yeah.
Is there anything in there?
Cash, money, hair.
So this is for your hair salon?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Okay. So we're not worrying about money. This is your money for your hair salon. We're not worrying about this. We're worrying about these stuff that I'm coming out here with. You want to hold on to this record?
Yeah, okay.
That's it. Did you buy this? You did not buy this?
Yeah. So I asked you about that. You said all you took was medication, right?
Yeah. Which,
Come on.
I just want to make out
What was that? Okay.
all this is extra money that belongs to you, nothing else.
No drugs, anything in there?
No.
All right.
Just a lot of money.
All right, so if you want to sit in my car for a second while I do the paperwork.
Okay, so
As far as
this is the money going back into the those are yours. These are not yours. Okay. So these are the ones that you stole these today. Okay. Did we get a mail out?
Yeah, so what we're going to do is I'm going to have my manager pick this in, scan it, get a printout of the value.
Okay.
So, being that we're at this point right now, my name is Chris, I'm an loss prevention officer here at Costco. We've been tracking your activity for the last 3 weeks now. So I'm going to go through a couple things with you, and this is totally going to be up to you and your choice, okay? I'm going to let you know where we are right now. Let me pull up your file. Okay. So, on 222, we've got you selecting 2 bottles, one at that time and that time. Our inventory auditor marked them off as theft, so we know you took those bottles because we don't have them. Another bottle after that. Now, totally your choice on whether or not you want to repay for the bottles you've taken in the past. I have you on film taking the bottles. If you want to, we will ring you up a receipt and give you a total amount to be paid for those 3 bottles. If you don't, I will be at first appearance with you, trying to get restitution from the judge in a month or 3 weeks, however it is. Do you want to make payment for the bottles that you've taken in the past? Okay. Ring up 3 more bottles. These are the dates and times for our notes. 3 more bottles of the Farniente from the 22nd and the 8th.
We'll let her, I don't know, I would let her do what the last guy did. Do the check, she can come back and pay it.
She wants to pay right now, she can pay now. So yeah, so we can, so we have a membership, ring up for 2 bottles, we'll put it in the report. 2 on the 22nd and 1 on the 8th, so 3 total bottles.
See this 14 from me and stuff like that.
Let me get your...
I got my number.
So then, why did you take the stuff? Going through hard times or?
I need her membership in your house.
Yeah, do you have your membership card?
What's that?
414-103-79-1910. So also, I want to let you know your membership is canceled. You are no longer permitted ever in another Costco. Now, Palm Beach Gardens, we're going to be posting you for trespass. If you come back on this property, I don't care if it's to get gas, meet a friend, whatever it is, you are going to get arrested for trespassing after being posted. Are we clear? All right. Now, that's Gardens for 18 months.
Something cut is there.
No, we got somebody watching. Don't worry.
Once we get done with everything, you'll get your shopping cart.
You'll get your shopping cart.
You still out here without stuff, big boy.
Yeah.
Because they're just going to get your phone call. You look at this to me.
It would be purple.
That's it? Yeah. So let's go to the back of the car, please. have a seat.
I'm on the one side, I'll pull the ball out a little bit. And then
As much money she has, why would you steal $200? She runs a salon like a complex. She has this whole thing. You saw all the money you took out? Look at all this.
okay, so
For today's thing.
for today's pay,
Yeah, today's thing. At her job.
No, they're not getting the money.
At her job. She runs a salon.
should the salon's hers?
Yes.
So,
And she's coming to be a steal.
That's getting greedy.
Thank you.
That's
Like,
getting really greedy, man.
okay, so you said...
and then you saw what you pulled out. You saw what you pulled out inside. You took $300.
And then the receipt appears
But now you're here. You're here.
Fifth, the restitution offer delivered while the subject was handcuffed raises an undue pressure concern. Florida shopkeeper's privilege under 812.015 permits civil recovery, but custodial framing invites scrutiny. Critically, restitution does not extinguish the criminal charge. Prosecutorial discretion rests with the state. Sixth, the trespass warning. Florida Statute 810.09 attaches criminal liability to any return entry. Charging exposure here is petite theft first degree under 812.0142E, property valued $100 to $750. 3 bottles at $99 each totals approximately $297. Maximum exposure, 1 year jail, $1,000 fine. Habitual theft enhancement under 812.0143 would require prior convictions outside this single incident. Grading: Palm Beach Gardens Police. B. Strong probable cause review, minimal force, sound cash separation. Deductions for the fractured Miranda sequence and the misstatement of the points of sale legal standard. Costco loss prevention, B+. Excellent documentation, lawful detention, formal trespass notice given. Deductions for negotiating restitution while the subject sat handcuffed, creating coercion arguments. Subject link: C-, compliant during arrest, but multiple custodial admissions damage the defense posture. The correct legal move was clear invocation. Silence, then a request for counsel. Neither occurred. Key lessons: for officers, complete the Miranda warning fully before any substantive custodial question. For loss prevention, deliver restitution offers in writing. Post-release, never during active custody. For citizens, a calm invocation of the right to silence and the right to counsel is always free to use. For prosecutors, independent documentary evidence insulates a case from in-custody statement suppression. For merchants, surveillance plus inventory audits build cumulative probable cause stronger than any single incident. Let us know what interaction or legal topic you would like analyzed next in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more content.